Hello bobs, I'm back with another unboxing video, and y'all know I'm obsessed with unboxings. I don't know what it is, but I'm just obsessed. And if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Zanora Woods, and go ahead, push that subscription button and let's get into this unboxing. And as always, guys, I appreciate the packaging that House of CB has. It's absolutely beautiful. They really do take time on this. I think it's the reason why I always go back and buy something, because I'm just like, oh, I know it's gonna come in this beautiful box and I'm gonna feel like I got myself a gift. But however, my box got damaged this time around, and that usually doesn't matter to me. What matters is if the product inside is in good shape and is not damaged. So as far as the box goes, I can let this one slide. So let's see what happens. And then this time around, guys, you see me pulling the ribbon. It's actually not a pullable ribbon. It's like an elastic thing. That's actually a good idea. I'm gonna keep that in mind when I actually work on my branding. That's so easy. Like, you just stick it on the box. That's it, you're done. So guys, I follow House of CB on Instagram and I saw this top and I died. It was a must-have, even though I'm bowling on a budget currently, but I was just like, yo, must have. Anywho, newsflash, the top didn't fit me. So yeah, I'm still disappointed. I had to send it back. And the material is absolutely amazing. It's worth every penny. I love it. Good quality. Absolutely worth it. All right. And I'm showing you guys the size on this. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but it does say medium, okay? And excuse the nails, dolls. You all know I always get my nails done if you watch my unboxings, but it, you know, like I said, baby girl is balling on a budget. This top does not fit me in medium at all. So I was kind of surprised at that, and I was kind of pissed because now I had to deal with the fact that I had to send it back, and that's like more money that I didn't want to spend, okay? I am exchanging it for a small, so we're waiting on that, and I will be wearing it on my social media page. My most popular one is Instagram, and I feel like you guys should go and follow me on there if you want to see me wearing this top. And can we just talk about the color? I don't know what it is with me lately. I'm obsessed with anything velvety for some reason, and into vintage this year for sure. I'm exploring my vintage lifelike back in the days kind of look. For sure you'll be seeing more of that on my Instagram as time goes. Yeah guys, I'm in love with this top. I wish it fit me. I wish I didn't have to send it back, but yeah, I'm sending her back. She's amazing though. And of course, go ahead and thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't, and follow me on my Instagram page and other social media accounts. Let's grow together. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one.